We see if we can drop that lure right down in there. These fish are moving, y'all. Boom. They are definitely moving. That's another good crappie right there. That's a good crappie. Gotta dip him, y'all. That's a good one right there. Look at that. Oh boy, I missed him. Yeah, now that is a crappie. That's a slab daddy right there, y'all. Good gracious. Good gracious, look what that boy done found. Somebody wake up Bubba, because he ain't seen nothing like this before. People, so today is the 28th of December. We are back at the lake today, and I got a special guest. This is Jennifer. She's fishing with me. This is my wife's sister, my sister-in-law. And over the Christmas holidays, she informed me that she didn't have any crappies in her freezer. So today, she's been fishing with me since she was probably 8 years old. And so today she didn't have to work, and she was able to be off while I'm off and come to the lake and do some fishing. So we're keeping fish today. So our goal, our target goal is 40 crappies. There's an 8-inch size limit here in this lake. And normally I don't keep them unless they're 10 inches. But we're gonna keep them if they're over 9 inches today, just so we can get a mess of fishing. So let me show you this. So my brother was kind enough, you remember those pink heads? So he gave me these at Christmas. These are 32nd, and the white with the pink head. He's been watching the video. The white with the pink head has been really good over the past couple of weeks down here. And so hey, we're gonna give them a try. Hey, the movement period, the activity level for fishing is really good today. It's up about 84%. The barometric pressure is about 30.2. It's been stable for the last couple of days, so I anticipate these crappie to cooperate and bite. So hey guys, let's go catch a fish. So that rod is 7 feet long. So if you let the lure down right here, like this right here, so that's 7 foot deep. So if you want to fish 10 feet deep, you'll drop the rod tip all the way to the water and lift up about 3 feet, and that's 10 foot deep. And I'll tell you how deep the fish are. I'll drop this right good God, at the fish down there. They down about 10 feet or so. Going into Roxborough. I mean, there's plenty of fish down there. Look at them. I'm gonna take your picture. Oh, there he is. Boom. Yeah. There we go. There's another good one.
That's a big one.
Boom. Maybe we found them. Yeah. All right. What you got there? Boom. There he is. That's what we after. He's 9 1/4, 9 1/2. Put him in the pot. here's our rig, guys. So we've got this 30-second pink head, and I went ahead and put us a split shot. That split shot's a little big than I like it, but split shot's a little hard to find right now. So you see our buoy marker here. It's sitting right on the drop off, and we've caught 2 crappie right on the edge of the drop off. They're right off the bottom. Here's a bunch of crappie right here in front of us. Alright, they're coming up about 15 feet. Alright, there he is. Good crappie.
Oh, I gotta get my picture.
Good crappie. Yeah, give it here, I'll take it. Got it? Good gracious. Boy, you a crappie killer, ain't you? Good God Almighty. Flip him in the boat before he gets off. Good gracious. I hear you. Look at that. I made a beast out of her. Good day. Good crappie. Yeah, good crappie. Yeah, we'll take him. Show him to the camera now. Yes, sir. Good crappie. Yeah. Boy, this is mean. Might be a bass. Might be a bass. No, it's a crappie. Good crappie, y'all. Yeah, nice crappie. Good crappie, y'all. Boom, right in the water. Is there plenty of water in there? Is there plenty of water in there? Okay, guys, so we're gonna make a little change. We're gonna go from vertical jigging to casting of these crappie. It seems like it's being a little more productive. They want to chase something, so I'm gonna put on this. Anyway, I'm gonna try this white with chartreuse tail, and Jennifer's got on the old yellow and white. The water's dingy, so both of these are good colors. Anyway, so let's get back up here and see if we can catch one. Straight in front of the boat, about 15 or 20 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. They're about 9 foot deep. Now they right up under the boat. Yeah, you ain't got no weight, so you gotta about 9 or 10 foot deep. Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna show you guys these fish. I think we can see it. Let's see. There's a fish right there. Actually, they behind the boat a little bit. They right up under the boat. We sitting right over top of them. Boom, right there he is. Boom, that's catching right there, y'all. Boom. Boom, nice crappie. All right, look, Jennifer, they were right out there about 15 foot, so just, there you go. They count about 5 seconds and start it back real slow. And sometimes you can just count 5 seconds and flip a veil and just let it float through. Just let it fall, just let the lure fall right down through the fish. I see one coming up for it, not biting it. All right, that's a good shot of the crappies right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just let that lure fall back real slow. Boom. Just a slow presentation. That lure looks like it's falling. Boom. Decent little crappie. Now you notice this Kalin's, I picked that lighter color. That's I think a 1/16 ounce head in the yellow, and you know that yellow always shows up good in that dingy of water. All right, right that direction right there. I'm gonna swing the boat out a little bit, right up kind of towards it where that end of that bridge is. That way. A little bit further. I got mine. You gonna get yours? We gotta have a double. Oh, that's a nice crappie right there, y'all. Nice crappie. Good crappie. About 15 feet right that way. We'll see if we can drop that lure right down in there. These fish are moving, y'all. Boom. They are definitely moving. That's another good crappie right there. That's a good crappie. Gotta dip him, y'all. That's a good one right there. Look at that. Oh boy, I missed him. Yeah, now that is a crappie. That's a slab daddy right there, y'all. Good gracious. Good gracious, look what that boy done found. Somebody wake up Bubba, because he ain't seen nothing like this before. So hey guys, we're getting ready to end the video. It's getting on about 3 o'clock. Hey, we had a good day. Not quite sure how many crappie we have at the live well. We'll count them up when we get home, and I'll take a picture of them and show you what we caught today. I think we have around 20 crappie or so. Some good crappies too. Hey guys, let me show you this real quick. Look, this is the Bubba knife right here. The Bubba knife. 20 amp lithium ion battery here in the back. Makes life real easy. Look, comes with an extra battery. Comes with the extra battery, the charger, and then all these extra blades right here. And it does a fantastic job of filleting crappies. Boom. The Bubba knife. So let me tell you what happened today. So when those fish were feeding, we were vertical jigging and we were catching a few crappie, but not being real productive. We could see them. I switched over and started casting to those crappie, and I think because those crappie were actually in a feeding mode, they were hitting better by actually casting to them. And man, we put the smack down on them after we started doing that. We caught a bunch of crappie and caught some really nice crappie on those curly tails. And so after about 12 o'clock, about 12:30, those crappie were up in about 10 to 12 feet of water actually feeding. And about 12:30, quarter to 1 or so, those crappie moved. They went back out over top of the creek channel and suspended in about 15 feet of water and got lethargic. You could catch one or two, but when they moved back off into that creek channel, they weren't as aggressive actually hitting. So that told me that those fish moved up there and then they were feeding, and then they just moved back off over top of the creek channel. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that like button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an episode of Wildlife Adventures. And hey, you remember, it's a wildlife, and I'll see you on the water.